So how long does it realistically take to make money with Wealthy Affiliate? So no platform can actually guarantee how long it's going to take you to make any given amount of money. It really does depend on you, how hard and how smart you're willing to work, and how long you do that work for. But there are plenty of success stories that you can check out. I've linked a lot of them in the description below. Generally speaking, if you follow the training and classes that Wealthy Affiliate teaches and you stay consistent, working maybe 15 to 20 hours per week on your business, then you could be making job replacement income within 1 to 2 years. That's something I've seen pretty commonly across a lot of the different success stories, not just from Wealthy Affiliate people, but other affiliate marketers as well. So once again, this isn't any sort of guarantee. Obviously, it depends on many different factors. Some of them are beyond your control, but I really hope this motivates you to take massive action. If you can pump out more quality content than the average person who takes this training, you will likely see results much quicker, because the truth is that most people are lazy and they don't want to work too hard. Maybe they'll post like 1 or 2 blogs a week. If you have enough time, especially if you're a stay-at-home parent or you just have more time, or you're a student, if you have lots of time, then I would recommend trying to post every single day if you can, or at least 4 or 5 times a week while keeping decent quality. And so if you can pump out more content than the average person, you will likely see results much quicker. With blogging, as long as your blogs are not low quality, it really does become a game of volume. So you don't have to worry about having like super amazing like writing skills or anything. You can follow formats and templates, and it just becomes kind of mechanical from there. So the more often you post, the sooner you can expect to earn life-changing money. There are tons of success stories, like this guy who quit his job and now he's making full-time income online thanks to the skills that he's learning from Wealthy Affiliate. So Wealthy Affiliate works. You can make money within a couple of years. There are people who've done it much faster. There's a blogger named Adam Enfroy. Within his first year, from zero to making over $20,000 a month in profit, which is like, I think he did that within like 7 months. So this is obviously not common. This is a very exceptional case, but he played that volume game. He was pumping out lots of content. He really went hard on this business model. He wasn't just being like, easy peasy about it. Like, let me just do an hour of work a week or something. Like, he went ham. He put in a lot of effort and he got results really quickly. So it is possible. Of course, it's not typical. It's not guaranteed. But if you put in the work, you can expect significant results within at least 2 years. So if you're putting in the work and you're following the training that you're getting on Wealthy Affiliate, I think it's very realistic to expect significant results within 2 years of starting. Now, if you want to try out Wealthy Affiliate completely for free, you can use the link in the description and sign up. There's no credit card required. Now, if you want to know how Wealthy Affiliate actually pays you, like do they send you a check in the mail or wire transfer to your bank, then click this video and I'll tell you all about that.